In this video, you'll learn how to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation for images in Canva. First, select the Create tab with your Canva project. Then, open the Custom Size section and choose an A4 document to start with a blank workspace. Next, go to your Uploads to find an image, open the Options menu, and set the image as your document background for editing. Now, click the Edit button to enable design adjustments, then open the Tools section to access adjustment options. To enhance your image, drag the brightness slider to make the image brighter or darker and adjust the contrast to sharpen or soften details. Continue by increasing the saturation using the slider to boost color vibrancy and fine-tune it to achieve your preferred look. Scroll through your gallery to preview additional images or compare your adjustments. Finally, use the Record button if you want to capture your editing process for later review or sharing. You've now learned how to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation in Canva. Great job completing the tutorial.